Hi, I'm Anna from kelpmama.com, and I'm here to talk to you about some Pilates things that can help. I'm a certified BASI comprehensive instructor with specializations in dance, working with low back pain issues, diastasis recti, and disc issues, and office worker syndrome, which is what happens when you sit in a chair all day, either at a desk or behind the wheel. I want to talk to you about how to support your spine and maybe some simple stretches you can do at your desk. So, starting with some stretches, we get into some habits with keyboarding and mouse work and even with driving that, here's my prop, that I'd like to help you stretch out. So starting with some really simple stretches with your arms, gently pulling your fingers back, pushing your hand over on both hands, really gentle. I know sometimes you're like, that really hurts, but go easy. Your body really is strong and you can hurt yourself, so don't push it. One arm up and across, pulling your elbow down so that your hand travels down your back. You can feel that stretch in your tricep and really open your chest, and then bringing it across. You can feel that stretch also. That's nice in your shoulder. So with your prop, your pen, both hands up, twist it around, and straighten. So without hunching forward, right? We want to avoid that, but keeping your collarbone wide and getting that twist all the way around. You can feel that twist in your arms. If you can't quite get there, that's okay. I have particularly limber joints, so I can understand if you can't quite get all the way around, but when you feel that stretch in your forearm, that's what we're looking for, without making that too extreme. Another really important point of sitting in a chair all day is that you maintain your structural support. And Pilates is all about strengthening the core to strengthen your back muscles. So we can't rely on our back muscles to support us all the time. So even if you have some sort of booster or bolster behind you, you're still going to lean on it with your low back. Try shifting just forward so that you're sitting more upright on your sits bones and this is tucked in. Please don't show everybody what you had for lunch, right? So keep your hips to ribs, your belly knitted together, and a nice curve in your low back. It might feel strange at first, like you're trying to stick out your butt at your desk, but honestly, keeping that curve in your low back will support your spine if you can hold it together with your belly. So don't hang that out. We can, but that's not what we want. Keeping that knitted in, hips to ribs, ribs are in, and that curve in your low back. Try sitting closer to the edge of your chair. Yeah, I know, especially if you're driving all day. It's much more, you can't really sit on the edge of your chair when you're driving. That's a different story, so you do need to rely on that lumbar support. And we'll talk about driving later, but try sitting more forward in your office chair and getting a curve in that low back. See if that can help alleviate some of the low back pain. Pressing your belly forward a smidge, keeping your ribs in. Visit me at kelpmama.com and I can give you more ideas on how to be comfortable in your life. Thank you.